I like chicken with a little bit of rice. I like steak with a little bit of spice. Scrambled eggs and toast in the morning, but I don't know what I want tonight, so let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it? Let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it?
Today we're making a quick meal, but all depends on what they put in the basket for me. So based on what we have in the basket, we're going to create a quick meal and a quick bite to eat. Let's see what we have here. Oh, nice. We have arugula, paneer cheese. And here I have tomato, eggplant, zucchini. They even washed it for me. Cool. And I have here some panini bread. I have an idea what to do with it, so I'm gonna put my grilling pan to work today. Let's peel the eggplant. And it's about a 1/4 inch thick. And let's put it on the side here. We're talking Mediterranean here. So I have here olive oil, balsamic vinaigrette, balsamic vinegar, and I'm putting here some basil, dry basil, and with the brush mix it very well, and we're gonna start grilling. So what we need here, just brush them on both sides and ready to go in the grilling pan. About 1 minute each side till you see the grill mark, and we're gonna do all the vegetable like this. Cheese doesn't take time, probably like 30-40 seconds on each side. Voila, now we have the cheese and the vegetable, they're grilled. Little salt and pepper on top, won't hurt. Let's slice the bread in half, and of course we're gonna put the olive, balsamic vinegar and the basil. I'm gonna start with 1 layer of tomato first, then the eggplant, zucchini, now the cheese. I'm gonna put a little bit arugula, and let's grill mark the whole sandwich now. And it's going to be a super duper Mediterranean sandwich. Let's give a cut and give a try. Oh boy, this is the sandwich I'm talking about. All yours to enjoy, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.